Hey Kiana, this is Brandon Ritter from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how to outrank your top competitor here on Google. Okay, so when we type in HVAC repair in Denver, here is what we see. We see Google Ads up top, we see the Google Map Pack right here, and then we see your top organic searches right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare your website compared to brothersplumbing.com. This is the top organic search other than Yelp, so that I can show you what they're doing that is allowing them to get this done. Okay, and then I'm going to compare it to your guys' website. So I appreciate your time yesterday. If you would please just send this to whoever you think might need to see this. They can do with it as they please. They can take these tips and tricks and get it done themselves if they think that they can do that. Or if they need help or have questions or feedback, I would love to hear back from them as well. I've just been creating this attack plan for small business owners because honestly, most small business owners just don't have the time or the know-how to do this, but they're missing out on a lot of business if you can't get on this front page of Google. Okay, so if this is something you guys need, I would recommend watching this video. Okay, so let's go to your website here. It's a good looking website. Whoever built it did a nice job for sure. I like that this chat feature comes up. I like you have call to action right here and a book now right here. I love your logo. The sun and the D is great. The moon right here, really cool. I mean, it's a great looking site. The question is though, is this generating business for you? Or is it simply acting as a digital business card? So the way that we can look at this is we can compare your website, which is right here, to your competitor's website, which is right here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is content. So when it comes to Google, the first thing they care about is content. Content is king in this industry, and the average website homepage on Google has about 1,500 words on it. So the first thing I would do is get your homepage up to 1,500 words. I would guess it's probably around 700 or 800. So that's number one that I would start with. And number two, you want to make sure that your content has relevant buyer intent keywords. Okay, so these are words that people commonly search for at Google when they're looking for your services. So for example, air conditioning repair Denver, Denver AC repair. Those are two examples of buyer intent keywords rather than air conditioning repair near me or best air conditioning contractors. That's not going to direct people to your site because it's not buyer intent. Okay, they don't have buyer intent when they search for those things. So let's take a look. This is Ahrefs. This is a paid for tool that you can use, or you can use free tools that you can find. But according to Ahrefs, you guys have 1,700 keywords in your website compared to your top competitor, Brothers, right here. They have 6,500 keywords in their website. Okay, so that's a big difference. So we need to get a lot more keywords into your site. So what I would do is go into their keywords right here. See, these are not great keywords. Hot tub electrician, how much water should drip to keep pipes from freezing. Those aren't good keywords because just because they have 900 search volumes doesn't mean people are looking to buy from you. Plumbers in Thornton is a better one. Arvada Plumber, Plumber Littleton, those are all better keywords. So I would go through their list, find out all the buyer intent keywords, add them to your website. Grammatically, obviously, you're going to have to probably rewrite your website and get as many of those in there as possible. Another thing you can do is you can save your photos as keywords. So instead of download, save that as AC repair Thornton or wherever you're focusing your services on and where you want to scale and grow to. Rank for these keywords instead of download. You know what I mean? So that's a trick on how you can get a bunch of keywords in there as well through pictures. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. So a backlink is any link that links back to your website that is in somebody else's website. So it drives traffic to you through somebody else. So we call this kind of like a shout out. So you can get these in a number of different ways. You can get them from blog posts. You can go into like directories and link yourself through there. But what you should do is figure out how many backlinks your top competitor has, which is 2,500, so that they have 2,500 backlinks coming from 442 different website domains. You guys have 1,000 backlinks coming from 156 website domains. Now these are good numbers. These are not bad by any means. You're off to a really good start. Just because they have 1,500 more backlinks than you, or whatever it is, 1,500 more backlinks does not mean that they are all relevant backlinks. So Google does care about how relevant and trustworthy these website domains that are linking to you are. You need to find relevant, trustworthy sites. So for example, other HVAC companies, restoration companies, insurance companies, anybody that is kind of within your service industry. If you link yourself to a Pizza Hut page, Google's not gonna rank you for that because they know that you're not in the food industry. They have crawlers that crawl through all this stuff, is what they're called. Okay, so that's what I would do. Number 1 and 2 is get more content on your homepage and flood your entire website with as many buyer intent keywords as possible. Number 2, beat out the number of relevant, trustworthy backlinks that these guys have. And the way you can do that is by going into them and just going one by one. 11 best Denver plumbers. You can list yourself in here, put your business information in here, and link yourself back to your website. That's how you do those, okay? And the third thing I wanted to share with you guys is how to get into the Google Map Pack right here. So in order to do this, you need as many citations as possible. So a citation is anywhere you can list your business name, address, and phone number into a directory. So you want to find out how many directories Golden West Plumbing is in, and then add yourself to all the same ones. And if they're in 250, add yourself to 300. And that way you can outrank them in the top spot on that Google Map page, okay? So this stuff does not happen overnight. It takes some time. It takes time for it to rank as well. It can take a month, it can take 3 months, it can take 6 months to finally rank. But the sooner you get going on this, the more business you will get, because these guys right here and these guys right here are getting a ton of traffic. I mean, look, 15,000 reviews. They're getting a ton of traffic to their website just because they're first when people Google for this in Denver. Okay, so there's a lot of money to be made with that. So if you guys have questions on anything in this video, please feel free to reach out. I'll follow up as well. And if you want to take this information and get it done on your own, that is totally okay with me as well. I'm just hoping to add some value, and hopefully you guys found it good information. I appreciate it so much, and have a good day.